Hey everybody, Alex here. In times of coronavirus, I wanted to share with you a special health tip from me. So one of them is ginger. Ginger is really good for any kind of disease, any kind of inflammations or whatever. So what I usually do every morning, I cut one piece of ginger like that. So I prepared here already something, and then I eat it like that, just pure ginger. You see? It's strong. You can. Oh. You can drink some water after that to get rid of that strong taste. So, another health tip, it is like ginger and lemon tea. What I can recommend for you. It is you cut some more pieces of ginger, as I did it here already. I prepared. So you put it in your cup. Then you use half of lemon, for example, for 1 cup. It is totally enough. You squeeze the lemon inside. So something like that. And you put some hot water, boiled water inside. Let's make it full. Come on. So you let it usually in, for 2, 3 till 5 minutes like that. So it becomes more stronger, more effective, and then you just enjoy it. Great stuff. What I normally do, I prepare everything in my thermocan. So I put all the ingredients, a little bit more, usually a little bit more than for that cup. More in ginger, maybe not 1/2 of lemon, so entire lemon. You squeeze entire lemon here, you put the ginger in, you fill it up with hot water, and then you let it, so you can enjoy it like during the entire day. So really healthy tip, I really recommend it. So another tip is try to avoid to go to public places, avoid to go to the gym, especially if you want to continue keep your health. I prepared some videos that you can find in our Facebook group, Improve Your Health and Balance Your Life. You can find that videos also, as well in YouTube. Just search for MyBodylin. That videos are for home workout. So they're really intensive short videos that you can where I show you how you can shred your belly fat and gain muscles. Try it out, search for them, let me a feedback, a comment. I will really recommend that. It is after that videos, after that exercises, you feel really energized, and it's also help you to go through to that tough time right now. So try stay healthy, keep yourself safe, strong mind, strong body, and yeah, it is a very tough time for everybody. With me, with my family, we are a little bit worried, but anyway, our health is the most important, valuable thing what we have, and don't forget to keep yourself healthy through exercise and through that amazing ingredients. See you next time. Bye bye.